Good evening and welcome to tonight's meditation. This meditation is for the moments when you stop trusting yourself, when every decision feels uncertain, when you question your instincts and wonder if you'll ever feel confident again. Today, you don't need to have all the answers. You don't need to listen to the quiet wisdom already within you. For the next few minutes, simply allow yourself to be exactly as you are. Get comfortable, lay down or sit in a relaxed position and gently close your eyes. Take a slow deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Again, deep breath in and gently let it go. One more deep breath, and with the exhale, allow your body to soften. The day is over now. There is nowhere else you need to be. Nothing you need to decide tonight. Just breathe. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the air moving slowly in and out. Allow yourself to slow down with every breath. Sometimes, after being hurt, after making mistakes, or after listening to many voices around us, we begin to doubt our own. We ask everyone else what we should do. We ignore the quiet feeling inside. Little by little, we forget that our inner wisdom has never truly left us. Take another slow breath in and slowly breathe out. Now imagine you are standing on a quiet beach before sunrise. The sky is still soft and dark. Gentle waves reach the shore again and again, without rushing, without questioning where they belong. Stay here for a moment. Feel the cool sand beneath your feet. Listen to the rhythm of ocean. Notice how peaceful it feels to trust the natural flow of life. Take another slow breath in and slowly breathe out. Now quietly say to yourself, I trust myself. I listen to my inner wisdom. I can take one gentle step at a time. Take a few gentle breaths with these words. Imagine a warm golden light growing softly inside your heart. With every breath, it becomes a little brighter, not because you suddenly know everything, but because you are remembering that you have always carried your own light. Take another slow deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Notice your shoulders becoming lighter. Notice your breathing becoming calmer. Notice the quiet returning to your mind. You don't need certainty to take your next step. You only need trust. Trust in yourself. Trust in your journey. Take another slow breath in and slowly breathe out. Trust in your journey. For tonight, choose trust, choose yourself, choose courage. Now take 3 slow deep breaths with me. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Last deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Now gently open your eyes. Thank you for being here with me tonight. If you would like to experience more meditation like this, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next meditation.